Yes, boo, the juice, yes.
From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What going on, guys? It's your girl Razor in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey, and if you're returning, what's up? How are you doing today? Well, if you're concerned about how I am doing, it's obvious that I'm looking very rough. That's because it's time for these mini twists to go. 2 weeks in, and this is what my hair is looking like. The frizz, especially the front of my hair. And yes, I did refresh the front of my hair, but you guys know my lifestyle. It just doesn't permit hairstyles lasting long. Super active, so sweat, and I already have extremely frizzy hair. So it's just we're just not making it past a couple weeks. So 2 weeks is all that I can give. I be confused. Maybe what my hair looks like to me, it looks different to everyone else, but sometimes I unravel and retwist just because, you know, that's a habit. Hand in hair syndrome sometimes. And everyone was like, why you loosening out your hair? Leave your hair alone. Like that your hair can go for some more days. No. So we're taking them out today. It's still moisturized, surprisingly. So if you want to know what I used to do my mini twist, you can check my previous video. I don't know how far back you'll have to go. Excuse the sweat, you guys know the heat. So check my previous video if you want to know what I used and you know how we did the mini twist. But today, as I said, it's time to go. And I also did mention that a lot of people feel like taking them out is the hard part, but for me it's the easiest part. Let me tell you what I'm going to need or what you'll need if you want to. I'm not forcing you, but this is what I do, okay? And you're watching this video to see what I do. Okay, cool. We have a spray bottle that needs to be filled with water, of course. And we're also going to put some conditioner in here as well. Preferably your most moisturizing conditioner in your stash. So don't just use any leave-in conditioner. Use one of your most moisturizing conditioners. Shake that up. I'm also going to need strength. Let's just see how this is gonna go. Let me show you guys the hair for real though. Maybe I could have gone one more week and refreshed the front, but I'm just annoyed at refreshing the front, okay? Especially if it gets frizzy the next day. It really doesn't make sense. So this is what the hair is looking like. Let me dress back. It feels good still, not too dry. Repeat after me. We're going to work in sections. One more time, repeat. We're going to work in sections. I'm gonna work on the back section, my favorite section to start with. I forgot to mention that you're going to need a detangling tool, whatever detangling tool that makes detangling easy for you. I like to use a detangling brush. We have our spray bottle with water and conditioner. We're gonna spray that on our hair. We're in this together. Just imagine your right hair helping me. I would appreciate it, but if you're just watching, that's cool too, but you can help. Don't just sit there, help me as well. So we're gonna spray that on my hair. Focus on the ends. And to also make this a little bit easier, it would be good if I had a clip, but I don't. Just get a ponytail holder, scrunchie, whatever you want to call it, so the hair is secured, and just pull. So you're gonna unravel this one, and of course you have to take your time. Of course I have to take my time because obviously I'm doing this by myself since no one wants to help. Take my time and unravel. As I unravel, I detangle with my fingers one time. I am gonna use the brush as I said, but we're gonna finger detangle first. So unravel or untwist. Then, you know, we 2-strand twisted, so we're gonna have 2 strands. So just gonna unravel, right? And unravel each strand as well by passing my fingers through it. So unravel first. Take my time because you may have some tangles, right? Then pass my fingers through that strand, but both strands. And of course, the more saturated with product your hair is, the easier it will be to detangle. You're gonna lose a lot of hair, especially if you've had this style in for a long time. And sometimes the hair that you're gonna lose is gonna tangle with each other, so that's how you may get a lot of tangles when you're unraveling. But once you use a moisturizing product in your water bottle, so a conditioner, you're gonna get more slip and the strands are literally gonna come right out. So let me show you guys. I actually have some hair in my hand. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that, but it's not much yet. That's how I unravel my mini twist, and it doesn't take that long at all, as I told you guys, because I'm soon finished with this section. Not really, I just started, but you know what I mean. You know what I'm trying to say. It takes a lot less time than actually putting them in for me. And my hair does tangle a lot in situations like these. But trust me, adding the conditioner in the water, it just makes your life easier for you, okay? And just take your time. Don't let the brush do all the detangling. You gotta work too. You gotta put in that work too. So in a situation like this is where they tell us, or I should tell you, you shouldn't really borrow, because when you're unraveling, it's just gonna cause a hot mess like right now. I would actually be watching a Netflix movie right now, but I have to leave the house in a couple minutes to pick up something, so I'm gonna be walking out the house looking crazy. What's new? So let me do this section, this full section first, and then I'm gonna show you how I detangle with the brush. One section just in time to leave the house. This is the back section. I missed a twist at the back right here, so I'm gonna spritz some more of the water conditioner mix, focusing on the ends. Finger detangle a little bit as well, but the brush is basically going to do most of the work, just to get out some of those shed hairs. I don't know if you guys can see them on my fingers. Now I'm going to detangle, and I'm going to detangle from the ends to the roots. I'm going to angle the brush downwards, brushing down and from different directions. So I'm angling the brush down, as I said. And there we have it, folks. My hair is detangled. So I'm going to put it away by twisting so I can keep it stretched until I'm ready to wash. We have our first section detangled. This juicy twist. See how juicy this twist is? Yes, boo, the juice, yes. Let me go leave the house real quick and come back. And we're back, and we also have a package. Let's see what's inside of here. I already know what's in here, but let you guys see. Let me just stop dangling this knife. Oh, I got a extra large heat cap to use for my deep conditioner hunt series that all of my hair can hold in, so I'm excited to try this out. So stay tuned for that video. So I'm gonna use this today actually for my wash day, because I haven't used one before. You guys know I usually go under my hooded dryer. So let's continue with the hair. Yeah, I stepped outside for a couple minutes, and outside is hot. We're gonna go over the steps one time for the one time, so listen up. We have our water with conditioner. We're going to spray this section of hair, mostly focusing on the ends. Smooth that in, put the hair away like this, and just grab, unravel, taking my time. Let's go and untwist and then unravel the section or the strands with my fingers first. That's all we're doing. So let me finish this section and come back to you guys just now. Hours later, I need a nap. Am I the only one who just takes a nap after I do my hair, and sometimes before? Maybe I just like to take naps, but anyway, I need a little break. That's all I'm trying to say before I go back into dealing with my hair again. My hair is detangled, my hair is moisturized, even though we're gonna wash it. With a style like mini twist, I prefer to detangle outside of the shower instead of going in a shower and struggling and creating almost like a disaster trying to detangle my hair and then wash it. It'll just be too much. It makes sense to detangle before I wash, so that's why I did it how I did and showed you guys my process. I'm gonna put it up into a high bun before I wash, just to keep it a little stretched and to keep my hair off of me. Wait, I also wanted to show you guys how much hair I lost during the takedown process. This is some of the hair. I haven't included the one in the brush, so let me take this out. So this is all the hair I lost from taking out my mini twist. So this is from 2 weeks of wearing my mini twist. So I know it looks like a lot of hair, which it is, but that's expected. This is mostly shed hair. Hopefully you may have some breakage in it, but that's okay. So I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed this chill video. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.